This is the single arm goblet squat to a press. So again, we're furthering that squat movement patterning, strengthening that core, and then getting into the pressing motion itself, so making it a more full body movement. So what we're gonna do is, again, take the kettlebell just like the single arm goblet squat that we've done. This time, again, we're squatting down, same thing, unlocking at the hips, coming back up, but then we're gonna go into a pressing movement. So I'm gonna just take my right arm and press it overhead, trying to keep the bicep close to the ear here. The other thing, anytime we go overhead, we want to make sure that we keep the core engaged. Rib cage down is the cue. So what we want to avoid anytime we go overhead, not just this movement, but when we're here, is we want to avoid arching at the low back. That's the common compensation that a lot of people do as they're learning movements. So again, what it'll look like, resting on the back. And again, beginner, what we're going to do, squat, come back up, and then reset. So don't go right into the press. Make sure the core is engaged, and then from there, we're just pressing up, back down, squat, reset, press back up. Now, as we get better at this exercise, what you can do is you can use that squat, that standing up, using that hip thrust to actually move into the press motion. It'll help you actually get that weight overhead. So what that looks like, and again, this is more advanced, so we're not gonna start here, but as you start to feel comfortable, it's squat, right into the press. Back down, squat, right into the press. There you have it.